flavor.
Now we're making our rice, and it's important to mix two different rices together so they don't stick together. So these are the rices that we are using. For our rice, we're using Egyptian rice, which is short, fat, and small. Then we also have some American rice. The Egyptian rice will clog or stick together, so you use about 1/4 of the amount of the American rice. This is Egyptian rice. It's short, fat, and small. It kind of clumps together. So to prevent it from sticking together, you use the American rice, which is long grain, and you use about 1/4 of that amount to prevent it from clumping together.
Like a Japanese rice, you know, when you cook it like a boil. Usually, if we cook it, you want
to soak your rice to remove the starch. Soak for 10 to 15 minutes before cooking it. Okay, we have 5 cups of rice that's been soaked. The butter is golden brown as a result of being sautéed with the almonds. Did you add the butter already?
Yeah.
So we added the leftover butter from some salt.
3, 4.
Adding boiling water to the rice that has been sautéed.
3.
So we're adding
1 cup and 1/4 for the rice.
Okay, so for each cup of rice, we add 1 1/4 cup of boiling water.
Now we put the salt.
Rice to our oil and melted butter. And remember the rice is half short grain. No, it's 3/4 short grain and 1/4 long grain. Rice comes to a boil, you want to cover it and let it continue cooking.
And make it down the temperature.
And lower the temperature. Pot of rice, we're going to use the beef stock. It's actually lamb stock. It's full of flavors and aromatic herbs, and we're going to use that for our rice instead of plain water. The rice. And now we're adding some more turmeric to give it some color.
Want to see the same? And we put it together and you want 2 color.